Hi students, today's my topic is vector integral theorems. In that vector integral theorems we have three methods: Gauss divergence, Green's and Stokes. So first we will discuss about Gauss divergence theorem. Let us consider a surface S which is enclosed by a volume V. Here the surface means anything cube or cuboid or any cone. So that is depends upon that. If f bar is continuously differentiable vector point function, then we have to prove that integral over the volume V divergent f bar dv is equals to integral over the surface S f bar dot n bar into ds. Here divergent is nothing but del, which is I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou x. F bar is a vector point function, is equals to f bar dot n bar into ds. N bar is here, n bar is unit normal vector. So we have to prove this one. LHS should be equal to RHS. Here given the first one as, here before that we have two node points. Remember those 2 points. Del cross f bar dv is equals to n bar cross f bar, and another one is del phi dv is equals to n bar dot phi into ds. Just remember those two. And the next we are going for the problems to prove that verify Gauss divergence for the function f bar taken over the surface cube. Here in the problem the cube is given bounded by the planes. So the here planes are x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to a, which are limits of the plane, and the coordinates axis over the coordinate axis. Here the integrals are taken as x limits from 0 to a, y limits from 0 to a, and z limits from 0 to a over the coordinate planes. So first of all we have to show that LHS should be equal to RHS. Here we have taken that RHS del dot f bar into dv. So del is I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z by differentiation of the function x cube minus yz. So x cube differentiation with respect to x, 3x square minus, here yz is anyhow 0. Then 2x square y differentiation with respect to y is minus 2x square plus z with respect to dz is 1. So completely we have differentiated dx, dy and dz is equals to integral xyz x square plus 1. So 3x square minus 2x square is x square plus 1 dx, dy and dz. Again integration with respect to y here. So here we got x square dx is given. So differentiating first of all with respect to x. So x cube by 3 plus integration of dx is x. So taken over the limit 0 to a, we will get a cube by 3 plus a dy and dz. Now again differentiation integration with respect to y. So here a cube by 3 plus a is constant, and the integration of dy is y taken over the limit 0 to a. So we get the a power 5 by 3 plus a cube. Similarly, now we have to verify the LHS part. The LHS part is given as integral over the surface S f bar dot n bar into ds. Now this is taken on the cube. So total the cube is given as picture here on xyz 3D plane. So that the planes here, first of all to find the surface f bar dot n bar into ds over the 6 faces of the cube. So first face S1 if we take as PQAS, this side on x-axis, right side on x-axis if we take, so this part PQAS. On this part the unit normal vector n bar is equals to I bar, the direction which is on the x-axis, so that is I bar. So x is equals to a, ds is equal to dy and dz, the distance ds is equals to dy and ds. X is equals to a on the x-axis, y is equal to 0 anyhow. So here we are taking PQAS, unit outward, which is taken as positive n bar is equals to I bar. So f bar dot n bar is given in the problem as x cube minus yz. So here x cube minus yz f bar into n bar is anyhow I bar. So dy into dz is dx. Now the integration for z and y and z. Z is equals to from 0 to a and y is equal to from 0 to a. So from z is equals to 0 to a, we are integrating with respect to y here. So a cube is constant, integration of dy is y, minus y square by 2, z is constant, and applying the limits from 0 to a, we get a power 4 minus a square by 2 z into dz. So overall, by simplification, we get a power 5 minus a power 4 by 4. That is for the first phase PQAS. Now for the second phase S2 OCRB. Here it is OCRB. In that, the unit normal surface is outside of the x-axis. Outside means the direction will be changes, negative side. N bar is equals to minus r bar. So x is equal to 0 there, and ds is equals to dy into dz. Similarly, just above process, if we repeat, f bar dot n bar into ds is equals to double integration yz into dy dz. So yz is here. We are taking because of z, x is equals to 0. So z is equal to 0 to a and z is equal to 0 to a, yz into dy dz. So now integration with respect to y is y square by 2 and z is constant there. Applying the limits, we get a power 4 by 4. Similarly, for the third phase, RBQP, z is equals to a on the direction. So n is equals to k bar in this direction RBQP. Here R, B, Q and P. This is the direction on z. So we are taking as n is equals to k. F bar dot n bar is equals to z is equals to a on the figure. So z is equals to a. Same repeating the process of first and 2. We get the result as a cube by simplification. Similarly, for the another 3 phases, we get all the values of S4, S5 and S6 by integration. Now adding all the phases of double integration S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 and S6, all the values of all the phases, we get a power 5 by 3 plus a cube. That is the final result. That is the same as the RHS what we got, a power 5 by 3 plus a cube. So just we verified the Gauss divergence theorem.